Giethoorn, the most beautiful and fairy tale village, is also called the Venice of the Netherlands. The Dutch village where the inhabitants can only sail, walk or cycle to get around. Every year 1 million people visit this beautiful village. Welcome back to my channel Traveling MJ. Enjoy the video. Giethoorn is a village in the province of Overijssel, Netherlands, with a population of around 3,000 inhabitants. It is around 100 kilometers from Amsterdam and takes about an hour to reach by car. The village contains all small islands that are connected to the mainland by 176 bridges. On all these islands are houses, farms, with thatched roofs that were built in the 18th and 19th century. There are no roads in the village center. So instead of using cars and roads, the inhabitants and tourists of Giethoorn mainly use waterways to transport themselves in our village. Therefore, a comparison with the Italian Venice is often quickly made. Just like in the real Venice, you do almost everything here by boat. The gondola in Giethoorn is called a punter, and the gondolier with paddle has been replaced by a modern whisper engine. By the way, it is still possible to rent a punter and propel yourself the old-fashioned way with a paddle. Smits Paviljoen has been located on the banks of the Bovenwijd since 1935, between the Veerebanweiden National Park and the old center of Giethoorn. Thanks to its unique location, you have a magnificent view of the lake and the nearby nature reserve from both the cozy terrace and the restaurant. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more travel related videos.